All right, we're back with a demo of my $1 origami star flower. So you can fold it up, takes up about the size of a quarter. You can fit it in your wallet. I've got it in a silver round case. And this is the um, one I showed at the beginning of the video. This one is glued together and a thread. It makes it look pretty cool. And then this is the original demo one. I had this in all different configurations and it still comes out great. And makes a nice flower if you fold the points back. But you can store it in your wallet. And then it's a bicone. See, like that. And you can have 10 points. And then you can deploy it. See, so you can have it with you and ready to go. And there's no glue on this. You don't need the glue, even though the video said that. Now that I've played with it, once you get the creases set in that storage pattern, see, just one little piece of thread. I replaced that with some dental floss, okay, because it'll hold up a lot longer. And then it's double-sided, and you can pinch these in more to make it more like a flower mode if you want. And if you just curl the points over, then you get the real nice flower look. And you just go around and do that. Give them a little curve. And get the flower. That's pretty nice. For an on-the-spot gift you pull out of your wallet. Then also, I'm going to show you how to make the cannabis leaf. So this is the original one. It was a cannabis leaf already. So marijuana 420 friendly symbol. So what you do is, now really you would do this before you put the thread on. Oh, and it's all in the video I'll put up here in the card, except for this cannabis leaf variation. So what you do is you fold these down this way over to the point on each one. All right, just like that. And if you do them both at once, you can make the point really good and make them even. So I didn't show this anywhere else. Just about there. All right. So see, there you go. Quite a bit like a cannabis leaf there. Right? Come on. All right. That's pretty much it for the video. You can make all these with one model. Store it in your wallet. And it also has that comet looking bicone thing. Pretty cool. All right. Appreciate you watching. Take care.